Picture this, it's the year 2026, and the world of Android hacking tools has transformed at an astonishing pace. What once started as simple scripts and underground utilities has now become a landscape dominated by cutting-edge technology and innovation. The tools available today are more advanced, more powerful, and more accessible than ever before, reshaping how we think about mobile security. No longer just the domain of shadowy hackers, these tools have evolved into sophisticated AI-driven platforms. Both cybersecurity professionals and malicious actors use them to probe, test, and defend the digital world. Artificial intelligence now powers real-time threat detection, automated vulnerability scanning, and even predictive analysis, making the stakes higher for everyone involved. In this video, I'll be diving deep into the 20 most powerful Android hacking tools that are actively shaping the cybersecurity landscape right now. From penetration testing suites to advanced malware analysis apps, these tools are at the forefront of digital defense and offense. Remember, this content is strictly for educational purposes only. Always use this knowledge responsibly, ethically, and stay on the right side of the law. The goal is to empower you to protect, not to exploit. If you're passionate about cybersecurity or want to stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly changing field, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. There's a lot to cover, so let's jump right in and explore the future of Android hacking tools together. Let's kick things off with Droidsploit 2026, the ultimate toolkit that's quickly become a legend in the world of Android hacking. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting out in cybersecurity, this tool is designed to meet your needs. Droidsploit is the go-to choice for ethical hackers everywhere, thanks to its powerful features and intuitive design. It offers real-time exploit updates, seamless cloud sync capabilities, and a cutting-edge zero-day detector that's powered by crowdsourced intelligence from users around the globe. Its modular design means you can easily plug in new exploit packs as soon as they're released, or even develop your own custom scripts, all within a user-friendly interface that makes complex tasks simple and accessible. The latest update introduces AI-assisted automation, which analyzes your target and suggests the most effective exploits for each specific device, saving you time and boosting your success rate. For security professionals, Droidsploit is absolutely invaluable for simulating real-world attacks, testing mobile defenses, and staying ahead of emerging threats. It's a clear sign of just how advanced mobile hacking tools have become, and why staying updated with the latest technology is more crucial than ever in today's fast-evolving digital landscape. Now, let's dive into the world of AndroSniff Pro, a tool that's redefining what's possible with mobile packet sniffing. If you've ever wondered how professionals analyze network traffic on the go, this app is a game changer. The Pro version doesn't just capture packets, it brings advanced deep packet inspection and real-time analysis for both Wi-Fi and cellular networks, offering capabilities that truly rival those of traditional desktop sniffers. You can monitor traffic as it happens, right from your phone. AndroSniff Pro can decrypt many common protocols, automatically filtering out credentials, passwords, and other sensitive data from the network stream. This makes it incredibly useful for identifying security risks and understanding exactly what information is being transmitted. The user interface is packed with features, including live network graphs that help you spot suspicious activity at a glance. Plus, remote packet analysis means you can collect data on one device and securely analyze it later on another, adding flexibility for professionals. For penetration testers and cybersecurity experts, AndroSniff Pro is a dream come true. It streamlines the process of finding vulnerabilities in mobile apps and networks, making security assessments faster and more thorough. But for everyday users, it's also a wake-up call. The ease with which data can be intercepted highlights the importance of using encrypted apps and always securing your Wi-Fi network to protect your personal information. Remember, this tool is powerful, so use it ethically and responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility in the digital world. HackDroid AI brings artificial intelligence to vulnerability scanning. Unlike traditional scanners, it learns from each scan, predicting new attack vectors before they're documented. It uncovers subtle misconfigurations, flags suspicious permissions, and suggests quick fixes tailored to your device. Scans that once took hours now finish in minutes, thanks to cloud-based processing. For ethical hackers, it automates tedious assessments while offering deep customization. HackDroid AI is leading the charge as AI reshapes Android security. GhostRat X is infamous for its stealth. It's nearly invisible to antivirus tools, with encrypted command channels and a modular payload system for screen recording, file access, or remote commands. A self-destruct feature erases all traces if tampering is detected. While it's a staple in red teaming, it's a reminder of the need for regular security audits. Endpoint protection has never been more important. Wi-Fi Phantom automates wireless hacking like never before. It scans for vulnerable networks, intercepts handshakes, brute forces WPS, and recovers passwords, all on autopilot. Its AI-driven engine adapts attack methods based on network configuration. For testers, it means faster audits. For everyone else, it's a warning to use strong passwords and update your router firmware. Stealth mode minimizes detection, evading intrusion systems. Wireless security is easier to compromise than you think. Keylogger Ultra is an ultra-stealthy keylogger for Android. It logs keystrokes, clipboard data, and screenshots, all while evading most antivirus apps. Security researchers use it to demonstrate real-world risks of compromised devices. For everyone else, it's a reminder to be vigilant about app installs and check for suspicious activity. Even advanced defenses can be bypassed if you're not careful. APK Reverser 2.0 is the go-to for reverse engineering Android apps. It offers lightning-fast decompiling, improved handling of obfuscated code, and a guided analysis feature that flags vulnerabilities. The built-in debugger lets you step through code in real time. Reverse engineering is key to finding and fixing security holes. Developers, use this tool to see how attackers might dissect your code. NetHunter 2026 is the essential mobile penetration testing suite. With new modules for Android 13 and 14, plus an integrated exploit database, it streamlines professional testing. AI-driven suggestions recommend the best tools for each target. If you're serious about mobile security, NetHunter 2026 is a must-have. Bluejack Elite is redefining Bluetooth attacks. It enables device spoofing, man-in-the-middle attacks, and custom payload injection across Android and IoT devices. The visual map interface makes targeting and monitoring easy. For security pros, it's essential for testing wearables and smart devices. For everyone else, keep Bluetooth off when not in use. InstaFish automates social media phishing with AI-generated fake login pages. It adapts instantly to UI changes and harvests credentials in real time. The analytics dashboard tracks campaign success and suggests improvements. For testers, it's a powerful social engineering demo. For users, a warning to double-check URLs and use two-factor authentication. Stay vigilant against phishing attacks. Rootmaster Pro now supports the latest Android devices with one-click routing. Advanced exploit chains adapt to different models, boosting success rates. Developers and modders get full control, with safety checks and unroot options included. Routing opens up customization but comes with security risks. Manufacturers and users alike must stay informed and patched. CryptoBreaker tests the strength of Android encryption. It cracks encrypted files using brute force and intelligent dictionary attacks, now with GPU acceleration. Its adaptive engine refines attacks for each file type. For forensic experts, it's invaluable for data recovery. Weak encryption can be compromised faster than you think. Use strong passwords. SMS Interceptor X silently intercepts and reads SMS messages on target devices. It captures inbound and outbound messages, with keyword and sender filtering for targeted analysis. Export options make reporting easy for security professionals. It highlights the risks of SMS-based two-factor authentication. Switch to encrypted messaging apps for better security. App Cloner Stealth enables undetectable app cloning on Android. Duplicate any app, hide clones from the launcher, and encrypt them for extra stealth. Penetration testers use it to study app behavior without alerting users. For regular users, it's a reminder to audit installed apps and watch for unusual activity. Stay alert to what's running on your device. Exploit Finder AI uncovers new Android vulnerabilities using machine learning. It analyzes permissions, code, and configs, flagging both known and unknown exploits. Interactive reports provide step-by-step remediation guides. Integration with other security platforms automates patching and investigation. Catch issues before they become threats. Keep your data safe. Stealth VPN keeps you anonymous with advanced obfuscation and multi-hop routing. The 2026 version adds split tunneling and an automatic kill switch for extra privacy. Perfect for accessing geo-restricted content or securing sensitive communications. If privacy matters, Stealth VPN is one of the best options. Protect your online activity, especially on public Wi-Fi. Data Extractor Pro excels at recovering data from Android devices, even encrypted or damaged storage. The latest update brings faster scans, new file system support, and selective extraction for targeted data recovery. Built-in reporting templates help investigators and compliance teams. For IT pros, it's indispensable. For everyone else, use full disk encryption and secure erase. Protect your sensitive data from unwanted recovery. SpyCam Controller enables remote access to a device's camera, effectively turning any Android phone into a silent surveillance system.